It's an all-new episode of Cooking with the Kellys. Sweet potato cornbread, and it's gonna be yum, y'all. Let's get that oven cranking to 400 degrees. Now let's gather the ingredients. 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar, 1 stick of butter softened, 1 medium sweet potato already cooked, a half a can of creamed corn, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of cornmeal. Pour all of your dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. Mix on low speed until well combined. You don't want to be wearing it. Add in all of your eggs and thoroughly combine. Then add in your sweet potato, corn, and your butter. Mix just until all of the ingredients have combined. Do not overmix. No one wants a gummy cornbread. Pour the mixture into a greased baking pan. Bake for 35 minutes or until the pit comes out clean. And top it with some cinnamon maple butter and enjoy, y'all.